Ready to see the top 10 most extreme places on Earth? Then look no further. Let's get into it. At number 1, we have Fotx Station, a Russian outpost in the Antarctic, holds the crown for the coldest temperature ever recorded at a chilling minus 89.2 degrees Celsius or minus 128.6 Fahrenheit. All you clothes orders out there could wrap up in about 20 layers and you'd still be freezing. At number 2, Death Valley Desert in California holds the record for the highest temperature ever recorded on Earth at a scorching 56.7 degrees Celsius or 134 degrees Fahrenheit. I think I'll give it a miss. I fancy keeping my skin on my body. Number 3. Mizoram in India is officially the wettest place on Earth with an average of 11,871 millimeters of rainfall per year. It gets that bad that certain hilly streets basically turn into waterfalls. Grab your ponchos, canoe and paddles and let's make the most of this rain. Armbands optional. Number 4. The Atacama Desert is the driest, non-polar place on Earth, averaging between 1 to 3 millimeters of precipitation per year. Break out the moisturizer, folks. There'll be no singing in the rain performances going on here. Number 5. The Danakil Desert in Ethiopia is not only one of the hottest places on Earth, but it also contains various salt banks, areas containing sulfuric acid. Oh, and to top it off, did I mention lava lakes too? This place seems rather toxic, like a few of my ex-girlfriends. I'll pass. Number 6. Youngest road in Bolivia is one of the most dangerous roads in the world, with its crazily narrow winding roads high up in the mountains with no barriers for protection. Unfortunately, due to the very nature of this, there is an estimated 200 to 300 deaths per year, giving it the suitable nickname Death Road. If you suffer from a fear of heights, you may want to give this one a miss. Number 7. The Dead Sea shoreline lies between Israel and Jordan and takes the trophy for the lowest point of land on Earth at a jaw-dropping 1,300 feet below sea level. The salinity is so high here that you can also float in the Dead Sea itself. It's also very hard to swim in because of this very same reason too. Leave your snorkels at home, folks. They'll be no use here. Number 8. Bove Island is a protected nature reserve on Volcanic Island, owned by Norway, sitting at the south end of the mid-Atlantic ridge, making it the most remote uninhabited island in the world. 95% of the island itself is actually covered in ice. Cold, hard facts. I'll see myself out. Number 9. The Roque de los Muchachos Observatory, situated in the Canary Islands in Spain, is voted the darkest place on Earth from the result of using 11 million photometers. And last but not least, number 10. From the darkest to the sunniest, Yuma in Arizona takes the prize of the sunniest place in the world, receiving 11 hours per day of sunlight in winter and goes up to 13 hours in the summer. If you need to up your tan game, this is probably the place to